Hi everyone and welcome to my place. This design is for Mari. She has on her sideboard a mirror glass vase. Hers is much more magnificent than mine, but this is all I had and it's kind of the same height and weight. In her dining room on her buffet, this is what she had. And she just didn't like it and it needed more. And she'd been hunting through the web of knowledge and she fell into what I had done at Astar's place and she said to me, could you help me? So she DM'd me, I messaged her back and we had a walk through of her dining room and her buffet. And silver is the colour that looks the best. But she doesn't just want this anymore. She wanted to put in some silver dollar and some berries, and could she put in some twisty willow or some pussy willow, and what would lime green be like? So I've put here mirror glass with dusty silver and lush lime. It's almost good enough to eat. So let us just get on with this. Okay, when I did mine all those years ago, what I suggested is you get another container to put into the middle of your vase so that you don't see the stems, because you know how I don't like the stems. So just by putting in another, you'll still see the stems, but it won't be as great. Now, I managed to find this and it is tied up and I'm going to keep it tied up for a reason. Once you untie that, it's just, oh, hold on, let me just make sure it's in there properly. I've left it like this because I've got control, because this stuff all over the place. So just by binding it, I take control back. Now, she wanted to put into here some pussy willow. Now, she was not sure about how she should go about the designing. So I am going to explain to those of you who also have issues with how to place things. I have this, here's your silver, and it shoots up there with your silver twigs. Now, think of this as like a mirror. What happens on this side happens on this side, kind of the right kind of length, the same kind of height, etc. But it doesn't have to be perfect, because in nature or in the botanical world, nothing is perfect. So you can knock yourself around trying to make things perfect, or you can just let them fall into place. So I've gone one to the left, one to the right, one to the back, one to the front, and I've got two others left. So just get your hands into there and just pull those out. And I'm going to do the same with this. Now at this stage, the vase in the inside keeps moving, but do not worry, we can fix that. Now, she wanted some silver dollar. Into here, I'm just going to put this, put a bit there, and I'm going to bring a piece over and into there. And look how magnificent this colour looks with the mercury glass. Now I've got 4 bits of this. I'm going to bring a bit to the front, a bit to the left, a bit to the front, left, other side, bit to the back, and then I'm going to bring this in and over to there. And you know what? Even just that is looking gorgeous. Now, in her room, she also had beautiful blue velvet chairs around her dining room. So I have found my little blueberries. Oh, which just reminds me, I have been to the States or to America for a little quick trip. Was actually my friend's birthday, and while I was there, I happened to go to Trader Joe's, the Dollar Tree, and a couple of other places where you guys who live in America get to do your shopping. And I want you to know I found some quite nice things and could have spent a whole month going around all of your craft shops doing flowers, because I was pretty amazed at what you guys have in your country. More than I can get here. I was stimulated. It was fabulous. Okay, there we have it. Now look what happens by putting in the berries. Mari didn't want anything that was too formal. She wanted something relaxed. So just by bringing in the berries, I've got a little bit of movement here, which is fabulous. Now, she wanted to be able to put snowballs in. It's the wrong season for me here for snowballs. So I have just got a couple of artificials here, but look what happens. I have never put this color combination together, and I just want you to know that I love it. So I love it when I get requests, because with these requests it means that I can open and expand my mind and do the research for you, and once I'm satisfied, I love to be able to share. But look how gorgeous that looks. And by putting the glass in the inside, you don't see the stems. It just sort of is like this lovely cylinder within the confines of the vase. I think that's really beautiful. Murray, I hope you enjoy it, because I've enjoyed sharing it with you and with everybody, those of you who might like to put silver and blue and lime green together. See you again another day.